Wait, before you buy the wrong HD tool, watch this. The ANCEL HD series, your quick start diagnostic tools for heavy-duty trucks. This short guide will clear up the confusion and help you avoid choosing the wrong model. All models cover HD OBD and OBD2 protocols, read codes, data streams, and vehicle info. The main differences are DPF functions and advanced control options. For DPF Regen and Reset, HD100 and HD210 do not include DPF Regen or Reset. They focus on other advanced controls. Need speed limit setting or idle time adjustment? Choose by engine brand. HD200 supports Cummins and Caterpillar. HD210 supports Volvo and International. All units work with Android and iOS, connect by Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and include lifetime free updates. Choose the model that fits your truck and get the job done right. Learn more at ANCEL.com.